To never miss another update, press the bell icon here.
Hey guys, this is Divakar, your own hybrid athlete. So today is 8th of March, which is Women's Day. So I would like to wish every woman out there a very happy International Women's Day. You guys actually run our world. So सिर्फ wish करने से कुछ नहीं चलेगा, कुछ एक अच्छा काम करते हैं. Hey guys, these are my friends who came to help me.
Hi, my name is Rajat.
Hi, my name is Abhinav.
And happy Women's Day to each and everyone.
We lost our minds in the darkness of night. We live to die. We lose our souls every day. We lost our minds. We don't remember what's wrong and what's right. The world is dead but we stay. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die. We live to die. We are just shadows. It's supposed to be that we die. It doesn't matter if there is no light anymore, no light anymore. 'Cause we are born as living fights. We live to die.
Let me summarize what we did today. हम लोगों ने सैनिटरी पैड्स यानी सैनिटरी पैड्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड करी अमंग द अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड वुमेन्स. ये सैनिटरी पैड्स हमने एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से ली जिसका नाम सैनिटरी है. मैं उनका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा. स्पेशली आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक इशू. शी वॉज सो काइंड दैट शी प्रोवाइडेड अस एक्स्ट्रा 5 पैड्स फ्रॉम हर साइड. अदर देन दैट आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक प्रेरणा, अभिनव, रजत एंड अंबिका who came to help me, and you guys. Thanks for watching.